We're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas, the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. And hey, we've just walked in. I just want to give you a little overview of what it looks like in here. So on the left is kind of a lounge, kind of a working area too. It's kind of a cool lounge. We'll go walk that in just a second. In over here, it's more of a lounge, but it's just kind of more open. This is kind of a gathering area for when you're coming in and going out, maybe waiting on friends. It's a really tall ceiling. It's really pretty. We'll walk through it just to see it, just real quick. Just want you to see what it looks like. Really attractive. A lot of places just to sit. There's not a lot of plugs. Oh, actually, there are plugs, so you really could work here from here if you wanted to. But it's just super open. There's the garage that we filmed a little bit earlier, and there's just some more spots that you could work from. It's actually pretty impressive. There's also a great coffee area that's over here. This is really, really good, and that's all good. And then, okay, so we're all going to go over here too. This is, again, just kind of another lounge area. I feel like this is a little more private, but this is also fun. And then you've got the leasing offices here too. There's a mail room, and you can pick up your mail, over there. Mail, physical mail. I just literally get 1 or 2 pieces a year that I even care about. Like mail, it's just almost outdated, right? Anyway, so, okay, this is what it looks like here at the 2800 Taylor. Now we're going to go check out some amenities. I think you're going to like this. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.